Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobi and I film videos sharing my life in Canada, talking about my experiences in Canada and much more. You can check my channel out. I have 60 plus videos and you definitely find something useful. This is going to be a vlog. I am taking you guys with me. We're going downtown because I just need a change of environment. I do this once, I'll say every 2 months or so, just a change of environment, somewhere different to find inspiration and just a change of environment in general. Please don't forget to smash that like button for me, please. I'm begging you, just smash that like button for me. Smash it now. It helps my channel and it makes me know that you enjoyed the video. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Don't forget to share this video, leave comments and all that fun stuff. So I'm here and I actually have a meeting soon, but the music is so loud, so I just hope it doesn't disrupt my meeting. But I have a meeting soon. I'm preparing for the meeting. Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and leave? 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어. And guys, it is freezing. The weather today in Toronto is about minus 21 degrees and it feels like minus 28 degrees right now. I booked this appointment since November and this is January, like mid-January. This is the time that they had for me, and even this one they tried their best to find time for me because all clinics have been fully booked and all of that. And yeah, since I was in Ottawa, I had to change family doctor, and here they were like, oh, they're not taking new patients. I finally found a clinic that was taking new patients, and I have not gone for any checkups since 2020 when I was still in Ottawa. 2020 summer, yeah. So I didn't go for any checkup the whole of 2021, which is terrible. It's just because I was busy. Places were saying they were only accepting new patients, things like that. So it was just difficult to find a place. So I didn't want to screw this one up. I'm like, I must go. Even if it's cold today, I must go. I wore this thick sweater. This is like my thickest sweater. And I wore a tank top inside. And my jacket, this is my proper jacket. And this jacket got me through Ottawa winter. So it will definitely get me through this winter. So I just paid for my parking and now I'm going to the place. Okay, it's snowing a bit. It's actually snowing a bit, but I just had to do this to cover my... That's why I love face masks, because it actually helps you from the cold. It protects you from the cold, because usually I'll use this and zip it up to reach here, but thanks to face mask for all of that. But yeah, I had to put on my gloves because I was using to hold my camera before, but yeah, or rather my phone. So today is Friday. I ordered food from a Nigerian restaurant. I ordered eban okra and jollof rice and plantain for my brother. So I paid $23 for this meal. Chai! I think they're like 4 pieces or 2 small pieces. I think either 3 big pieces or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 small pieces. I didn't ask for plantain, I asked for snail. Why did they put plantain on top of it? Or is this meant to be the plantain for the jollof rice? Or is it Yeah, it's not the plantain for the jollof rice. So this is jollof rice and assorted meat. This was, I think, $16 or $17. Then I got okra and eba for 16. Oh my goodness, it's white eba. I like yellow eba, but remove. Yeah. There's a snow warning today. They actually started warning people since yesterday or the day before. But it says really bad. That's my brother parking snow. So at least there's a walkway. That's someone else. I don't know how this person is going to move from there. That's someone else parking. Like, I think the person is actually contemplating and just thinking that is there going to be any point of trying to move? Because see how deep they're going. And how are they going to move? I honestly don't know what this person is going to do. Because as they're digging the snow, I don't know what this person is going to do. Because as they're digging the snow, where are they going to move? Like how? Oh my goodness. I feel so sorry. Except it's been like 2 hours doing that or 1 hour plus. This to my brother parking snow. My brother is helping my neighbor. I don't want to press his car. Like, she was trying to drive out and she got stuck. So he just trying to clear that area for her. Let's see. Nah. I think my brother was actually able to drive out, but maybe he just tried driving and just figured out that there's no point. My neighbor too, like, didn't, like, she just left it. And this car that was there, the person actually left it. I feel so bad. This is 2 hours later and the person just left it there because there was just no points. So I realized that I wouldn't have time to cook this week or this weekend, so I placed an order on Saturday for this, and today is Sunday and I went to pick up. So I got this fried rice from Tribe Lounge. Their fried rice is very good, and they use that other like basmati rice, and it's actually really good. This is the first fried rice that I've tasted that I can eat without chicken, because I'm that type of person that has to eat whatever I'm eating with chicken, if not it's not nice. But yeah, their fried rice is good. I didn't buy chicken from them because last time I bought, their chicken is very big. Like, it is actually very, very big. It started scaring me at the point. It's very big, which is good. Like, they're generous with their chicken, but yeah, I like the proper Nigerian style chicken. So I bought chicken from Afro Spice. My preferred Tribes Lounge fried rice. So that's why I bought fried rice from them. Then I went to Afro Spice to pick up their chicken. But when it's jollof rice, I prefer Afro Spice jollof rice. But yeah, that's what I am doing this week, because I'm not able to cook. I had a busy weekend and I just realized that it would be realistic for me to do this. And this was $140. Fried rice is more expensive. Like, I called different places and it was the same price range. This is large. This was $70. But I actually split my food between 3 people, my brother and my brother's friend. So it makes sense if you do the numbers. But usually fried rice is more expensive. But when we do jollof rice, it's about $60 each. It's just all about paying for the convenience. So I know it doesn't make sense because you might as well just go and do your grocery. But for the time and convenience, yeah, it makes sense. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. It's been a long time. It's been a very long time since I actually vlogged or picked up my camera. I can't remember how long, but like up to 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so. But anyway, I'm filming content today. I'm filming videos today. So yeah, I have videos to film today, so I'm just getting ready. I prefer filming in the morning. Like, I'm a morning person, so I just want to do everything when I'm energetic and productive. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Actually, I'm eating. Let me see. Because I'm filming today, I want to eat, so I'm actually full when I'm. What am I saying? I'm trying to eat so I can have energy to film, but the problem is that when I eat, I feel so sleepy. So I just hope I won't sound sleepy when I'm filming the videos, but we'll see how that goes. But Shaz, you're watching this video now, you're watching this vlog, make sure you watch the videos that I'm filming, please, and hit that like button for me. Just hit that like button for me, please, yeah. But I think I'll make an intro with this. Anyway, I'm eating white rice and efforiro. The efforiro contains goat meat and shrimp. But yeah, that's what I'm eating right now. Yummy. This is like my best meal. Yummy.
Going to work, smiling as we're falling apart. You lie to your friends as fine as you're falling apart. Soon giving in this time.
I just finished filming my first video. I'm going to film the second one now. But for the second one is a Q&A. I left a questions called, oh, guys, what am I saying? I hope the first video turns out well. Like, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm going to film the Q&A soon. I left a question tag on my Instagram. I also posted it on my community tab and also posted it on Google Forms because I realized that a lot of times people don't want to share things publicly or like have private questions. So I posted the Google form so at least it doesn't show their name. I don't even know who it is. I will just answer your question and all of that. I have a lot of questions, so I think I'll have to break this into 3 segments. I got about 20, 40, 60, like I know more than 60 questions definitely, so I think I'll have to break it into 3 segments so the videos aren't too long. But yeah, I'm going to change now. I'm actually feeling sleepy. I told you anytime I eat I feel very sleepy. But yeah, I'm going to get ready to answer the questions. Do I even have to change for real? Like, do I actually have to change my outfit? I just realized there's no need to change. Like, I actually don't need to change my clothes. I actually don't need to change. I can film in the same outfits. That's what I'm going to do. I don't feel like changing. And I just realized there's no point. The thumbnail will definitely be different. And it's not even as if I have a lot of clothes like that, so what's the point? Yeah, but yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash the like button for me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave comments, share this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.